Hey, it's Ashley, and today I'm sharing a quick tutorial on how I used this traveler's notebook that you're seeing on the screen to create my own traveler's notebook page. So I'm starting out with a 4 1/4 by 8 1/4 canvas in the Canva app. I use the free version. When I'm working on a big cohesive project, I kind of keep one open and just add pages and then print as I go. This project in particular is the self-love project, and I'm putting together a traveler's notebook using the Neffy Crafts Co. Love You kit. And so the printable comes from the In My Pocket Life Stories class. There are weekly challenges, and for week 3, it was a 5 senses where I stand kind of prompt, and it came with this free download, but the color scheme doesn't quite match that of the Love You kit, so that's why I'm going to create my own page. And as you can see, I'm using the hexagon element tool within Canva to lay down hexagons on top of the pattern of the free digital printable. And I'm going in and I'm using the color tool to recolor them to the palette of the Love You kit. I have already have other pages made using that kit, so it compiled like a sample color palette for me, so it makes it really easy to match the colors to the kit that I'm already using. Now, if you would like more information on how that works or how I use Canva for certain things, leave a comment below, and I would love to make a separate video talking more about like frequently asked questions on how Canva can work. But you could probably do something very similar in Photoshop or something like that. So after I get as many hexagons as I need and in the general correct spot, I go through and I delete the layer that has the printable that I used as a template, and then I go in and I zoom in to make kind of adjustments to the alignment of the new hexagons that I placed. So these ones have a little bit of a thinner border than the ones that were on the background template page. So they need a little bit of adjusting and realigning. And I love that Canva has those guides, those like guidelines built in. It makes kind of centering and realigning and repositioning a lot easier than just going by my blind eye. And so I'm going to skip through so you don't have to go through all the micro adjustments that I made. So this is the basic layout that I ended up with. I played around with a couple of the digital die cuts from the Love You kit, and I will go in and type in titles for the different senses since it's a 5 senses thing. I also add feeling as a 6th sense, and then this is what it ends up looking like. And I'm putting this in for the reflect prompt, and I'm going to add in this 3x4 kind of flip out pocket, or not flip out pocket, but I like a tip in but flip out. When I printed, for some reason, my PictureMate was having a lot of issues. So I'm going to kind of Frankenstein these clear pictures onto the other ones, because the one with the correct colors was zoomed in and cropped weird, even though I didn't change any of the settings. And then the properly proportioned one was very red tinted. So on the front, it's going to be this 3x4 that says reflect with another digital die cut on the side. And the word art for reflect actually comes from a free printable from Humble and Create. I'll be sure to link that below. You can also see more spreads from this project on Teresa Moxley's blog. And then I hope to put a full walkthrough up soon as well. But all the relevant links will be in the description and on Teresa's blog. So I'm just trimming out here. There's that front page and it says where I stand and reflect. And I'm going to use a hinge to attach it to that right hand edge. The reflect image is going to be on the front, and on the back I'm going to have that picture of myself. Reflect was prompt 22, February 22. So I included my Tuesday photo of myself, and before I printed the photo, that is a label that also came from the Love You kit from Neffy Crafts, and I just added the 222 in Canva before printing. And so there's the Frankenstein card all pieced together. We're going to add the hinge just using cardstock and a little bit of adhesive. We're going to slip it right in there eventually. Yep, there we go. I had already added my journaling, and as you can see at the top, there is that kind of sketchy heart, and at the bottom is a repeating XOXO pattern. And then I'm going to add this Love You tab, and let's see. Oh, to mimic that overlapping XOXO graphic, on the opposite page for 3 things, I did a similar treatment with a roller date stamp to kind of connect them. So that's this spread all together. Like and subscribe to see more of my videos. Leave comments, and we have some kind of still photos for you. Check out Teresa's blog for more information and more photos. Thanks for checking this video out. Bye!